and the spirit never dies. Great khasi, your power ignites the night. With your valleys deep in the shadows I fight. Oh, khasi, land of dreams, where the whispers of the winds howl like screams. In your embrace I stand tall and brave. With the songs of the mountains, my soul you'll save. From the living roots, bridges to the waterfalls roar. Every step I take, I feel the legend soar. The khasi spirits, fierce and wild. In your ancient forest, the warrior's child. Oh, khasi, land of dreams, where the whispers of the winds howl like screams. In your embrace I stand tall and brave. With the songs of the mountains, my soul you'll save. Through the tempest your colors ignite. Tales of our ancestors rise in the night. With each festival the drums thunder loud. The fire of khasi will make you proud. Oh, khasi, land of dreams, where the whispers of the winds howl like screams. In your embrace I stand tall and brave. With the songs of the mountains, my soul you'll save. Through the tempest your colors ignite. Tales of our ancestors rise in the night. With each festival the drums thunder loud. The fire of khasi will make you proud. So here's to the hills and the skies ablaze, to the heart of khasi in a wild craze. In every heartbeat, in every roar, in this fierce land, forever we soar.